I like to sit on the sofa and read a book. I like to sit on the sofa and read a book. Sometimes I listen to soft music at home. Sometimes I listen to soft music at home. I enjoy drinking coffee while relaxing. I enjoy drinking coffee while relaxing. Watching the sunset from my window is peaceful. Watching the sunset from my window is peaceful. I like to lie down and close my eyes. I like to lie down and close my eyes. Lighting a scented candle makes me calm. Lighting a scented candle makes me calm. I enjoy stretching in the living room. I enjoy stretching in the living room. Sometimes I take a short nap in the afternoon. Sometimes I take a short nap in the afternoon. Watching fish in the aquarium relaxes me. Watching fish in the aquarium relaxes me. I like drawing or coloring quietly. I like drawing or coloring quietly. I enjoy watching clouds outside. I enjoy watching clouds outside. Sitting in garden feels very calm. Sitting in a garden feels very calm. Sometimes I write in my journal. Sometimes I write in my journal. I like knitting and making small crafts. I like knitting and making small crafts. Listening to the rain is very relaxing. Listening to the rain is very relaxing. I enjoy slow, deep exercises. I enjoy slow, deep breath exercises. Sometimes I watch old favorite movies. Sometimes I watch old favorite movies. I like sitting and thinking quietly. I like sitting and thinking quietly. I enjoy drinking hot chocolates in the evening. I enjoy drinking hot chocolates in the evening. Eating fresh fruit makes me happy. Eating fresh fruit makes me happy. Sometimes I make a small snack for myself. Sometimes I make a small snack for myself. Drinking a cold smoothie relaxes me. Drinking a cold smoothie relaxes me. I enjoy baking cookies at home. I enjoy baking cookies at home. Eating chocolate is slowly is very comforting. Eating chocolate slowly is very comforting. Sometimes I prepare a small dessert. Sometimes I prepare a small dessert. Eating popcorn while watching TV is fun. Eating popcorn while watching TV is fun. I like playing the piano at home. I like playing the piano at home. Listening to my favorite songs is relaxing. Listening to my favorite songs is relaxing. Sometimes I play video games for fun. Sometimes I play video games for fun. I like solving puzzles quietly. I like solving puzzles quietly. I enjoy reading comics at home. I enjoy reading comics at home. I like taking a warm bath in the evening. I like taking a warm bath in the evening. I massage my hands and feet in the evening. I massage my hands and feet in the evening. I enjoy laying on the floor while stretching. I enjoy laying on the floor and stretching. I like thinking about happy memories. I like thinking about happy memories. Listening to nature is relaxing. Listening to nature is relaxing. I enjoy practicing gratitude quietly. I enjoy practicing gratitude quietly. Lying on a soft blanket makes me calm. Lying on a small blanket makes me calm. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time.